In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice in QuickBooks. First, log in to your QuickBooks online account and open the company you want to use. Next, click Create in the top left corner and select Invoice. Now, choose the customer you want to bill from the Customer drop-down menu. If you haven't created the customer yet, select Add a new customer and enter their information. After that, enter the invoice date and payment terms, then add the products or services you're charging for. Enter the quantity and rate, and QuickBooks will calculate the total automatically. Next, review the subtotal, taxes, discounts, and total amount to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a message or memo for your customer if needed. Now, check the customer's email address and make sure it's correct, because QuickBooks will use this address to send the invoice. After that, click Save and Send. Review the email message and invoice details, then click Send and Close to email the invoice directly to your customer. Finally, return to the Invoices section to check the invoice status and track whether the customer has viewed or paid it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an invoice in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.